shore.
They did not understand. The speaking they have done. Kasiragin at waray-waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha Humabon met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and built the Church of Christ. And that's the beginning of our Catholic life. When Magellan visited Mactan to Christianize them, everyone. But Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. Then Magellan got so mad. Ordered his men to camouflage.
Camouflage.
But
Again, may reset ate yung